on to share with you guys some hauls that I did. This is mostly from last week. I just didn't have a chance to do a video. And then there's some items from this week and a couple items just from various stores that I just picked up, like 1 or 2 items. So let me start off with Joann. I haven't been there in forever, but like everybody else, of course, I had to go and grab the paper pads. So let me share with you what I picked up from there. I'm sure you guys have all seen these. So I did pick up the DCWV, the die cut shapes. And I'll just do a really quick flip through. I'm sure you guys have all seen it, but this is the main reason I got it. This one page with all the unicorns and rainbows. And there are just a ton of already cut out shapes that you can just punch out, which is awesome. And I think there's 2 different paper pads. I'm losing my train of thought. It's really early, guys. Sorry. So I did get this one. This one was 50% off when I went. And of course, I was able to find the unicorns and rainbows. Look how cute. You guys know my unicorn obsession right now. And anytime I see anything unicorn related, I have to get it. It must come home with me. So there's just a really quick flip through. It's so bright and rainbowy and so fun. I love it. I was also able to find the washi tube. And I was super excited. This is by Miss Sparkle and Company. I don't know if you guys have all seen this. But I believe there's 9 washies in here. So here are some of them. This one says, she believed she could, so she did. In gold foil. And this is some gold foil, but it looks textured. I really like it. And some jumping unicorns. This has a donut corn. I didn't even really see that. And the cupcake with the unicorn. And then these can always use stars, and there's gold foiling. And this super pretty one. Rainbow on blue background. And then these 2. And I believe these were 50% off when I went as well. I can't remember. So I got that finally. I've been seeing that on other people's channels. I think all the crafting or the scrapbooking items when I went with 50% off. I also found these Heidi Swap foil flakes, and I do have one of the Nouveau ones, and I need to use it more, but these were such a great deal. So this is the rose gold and then the silver, which are colors I do not have. So I can't wait to play with these. And then I just found this red line tape. This is the Miss Sparkle and Company, and it was just on clearance for 97 cents, so I grabbed it. I think this is the 1/2 inch. Yep, 1/2 inch. So you can never have too much red line tape. So that's all I got from Joann. The majority of the items I got from Hobby Lobby, so I think I'm going to do that one last. So then I went to Michael's, which I haven't been there in forever either, and I believe everything that I got was either 50 or 60% off. But I did get this flower template by Recollections. And these are just templates to make like the huge flowers. You can use crepe paper, but I thought I'd use tissue paper because I have so much of it and I wanted to do like a wall collage. And what inspired me was when I went to Frank Garcia's studio. So we'll see when that happens, but aren't these so pretty on here? They did also have the crepe paper, the larger sheets, on sale, and I first had them in my cart and then I put them back because knowing me, I won't use this stuff for a while. So I was just like, I can wait if I really want the crepe paper, but the flower templates I definitely wanted. So I picked that up. I also was able to find these stickers that everybody's been hauling, and I was good. I only picked up this one because you know me, I will pick up multiples, but look how cute. I love those, which I'm sure I'm gonna hoard for a little bit. I know I shouldn't, but I can't help it. I also picked up this decorative filler, sorry for that glare, and I've been having trouble with like my tool storage, like my rotating tool caddy, because everything that I have just falls if it's not full in there. So what I normally do with my makeup brushes is I have like a little glass, it's like a vase, and I fill it up with this, and then I can just stick my brushes in there and it holds it upright. So I thought I'd maybe try it with my tools. So we'll see, and if I do that, I will let you guys know and share that with you guys. But this is the same color that's in my bathroom as well. So I picked that up. I think I did use a coupon on that. Oh, one thing that I forgot from Joann is this Park Lane. They had a whole bunch of different sayings and stuff and their stickers. They have a whole line of everything. It's a new line from Joann. But I got this one. It says, "It's okay, unicorns don't believe in you either." I thought that was hilarious. So don't know where I'm going to stick this yet, but then the other one says mermaid vibes, which I'm not too fond of, but I got it for this. So I thought that was super funny. So that's from Joann. Back to Michael's. So I did get this pack of the crepe paper. And this is a multi-pack. They're 6x6 inch sheets, so it's still bigger than my crepe paper rolls. And it comes with white, cream, lavender, blue, and pink. So I thought I would give this a try. And this was the same as the other one. It was 50% off when I went. So I can't wait to play with that. And then their jewelry, I think, was 50% off that day. And I might have had a 20% off coupon as well. But I was good. I only picked up this one, which are the large bead caps. I don't have anything this big because it was all the green label items. Pack of the stars, the iridescent stars, which you know what I'm going to use these for. So those are the only two that I got from the jewelry section, so yay me. I found this on clearance. It was $1.49, and I still haven't used my other ones. I have the pink and the like the mint green one, but I thought I would pick up the white just to have in my stash. I did see Armine, who is Happy Meal Queen. Hey girl. I know that she had picked up some of these and she had used it on some tags. So I might give that a try. So I picked that up. And I think that's it from Michael's. Everything else is from Hobby Lobby. I think I'll do a separate video on that because there's quite a bit more stuff in that haul. But let me share with you guys really quickly what I found at TJ Maxx. So this was last weekend when I met up with some of the girls from SoCal, and we went shopping, and I found this at TJ Maxx. Isn't this so cute? It's a huge mug, and let me just untie this. So it comes in a set like this, so you get, sorry for that noise. So you get this little notepad with this really cute pen. Look how cute. And then this cup, and I loved it because it's like minty green blue on the inside. Super cute. And it's on both sides. So you know, when I saw this, it was coming home with me. So that's all I picked up at TJ Maxx. And then yesterday I was at the 99-cent only store again, trying to find some more of those cases for a friend, and unfortunately I couldn't find them, but I did find this. So this one was already ripped when I got it. There was only 2 of them left, so I had to snag them. But this was $2.99 at the 99-cent only store, and you guys know how expensive acrylic storage can be. So this is a 2-drawer acrylic storage, and I mean, these drawers come out, and I just thought that was an awesome deal for $2.99. So I did pick up a few. They only had 2 left in the first store that I went to, and then I just picked up 1 more. I have no idea what I'm going to store in them yet, but I just couldn't pass that up for $2.99. And let me measure this for you guys. So it is about 9 1/4 inches by like 3 7/8. So each drawer is about one 3/4. So you can fit quite a bit in here. And if you guys see the feet down here, they're stackable. So I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys wanted to stop over at your 99-cent only store to try to find these. But I just thought that was awesome for $2.99. So that is my haul for today. I will come back with the Hobby Lobby haul. I kept going back. I think I went 3 times last week and once this week so far. So I have a little bit of a Hobby Lobby problem right now. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.